So we are here at the AMR Proving Grounds with the Rmax once again, because now that I installed the RPM performance muffler, I want to see if there's any change in performance. Now, typically you swap out a muffler, the gains in performance is going to be really negligible. How do you say that?
Negligible.
Negligible?
Negligible.
Minor. They're going to be very minor. Now, normally if you just are swapping out a muffler, your performance gains are going to be very minor and hard to feel. But I can swear I can tell the difference in this guy with that muffler, especially as open as it is now. So we're going to do a couple quick draggy times, 0 to 30, and probably do a short course lap just to see if there are any actual gains. And remember, this is just the first step to several performance upgrades we're going to be doing over the next several months. So I want to make sure to keep track at each stage to see how each upgrade affects the performance and what our gains are. So let's get the draggy set up and we will hit the strip. Now stock, we managed, I think our best time was a 3.1 second. I know our best time was a 3.1 second. So if we can beat 3.1 seconds, then there has definitely been a gain. If not, it probably really doesn't mean anything because there's so many different variables that come into play, but we'll just see. First run, aside from my reverse blunder there, previous time in this 0 to 30, the best I got was 3.1. My first run netted me a 2.92. That's a significant gain. So that muffler definitely has opened up some performance. I'm going to do a couple more runs for consistency. I tell you what, we are getting down into the Wildcat Trail territory. It was the fastest machine we've had here so far with the 2.8 and some change. I can't remember exactly, but we might be able to hit that with this. Let's do a couple more runs and we'll see if I can do any better.
Then it'll be drag racing time.
Hopefully before the snow flies. You see how easy this thing spun there?
I saw your tracks.
I knew it was going to be better because you can tell. Exactly 2.92 seconds again. Verified times both times. Look at that. First run 0 to 30 verified 2.92. This, I don't know why there's two there, but it doesn't matter. Both are 2.92. So if we get 2.92 one more time, then I'd say that's pretty much what we're gonna get because that is very consistent. Jet. So let's do one more just to be on the safe side.
You either got it really soon or you boarded on that one.
2.95. That is still very consistent. So 2.
Yeah, that's 300ths of a second.
And I
difference.
probably got that tore up enough now from other 2 launches. I'm getting more wheel spin. So pretty cool. Let's say we'll call that the official time with the RPM performance muffler. 2.92. Let's do a short course run and see if we net any. Alright, our short course is a little bit muddy today, especially around our estuarine here, but we're going to do the best we can. The best time I had prior stock was 39.56 seconds. See if we can beat that. We'll see with the muddy conditions. We'll see. I was in 2-wheel drive. What's the time?
40.59.
I thought it was slower. I might try her in 4-wheel drive.
Yeah.
Just to see. I'll have to watch the corners, but.
Yep. So there's the time.
It's sloppy. It's going to be a little slower, I think.
Could be. I'll do better recording this time.
Let's try 4-wheel drive. Ready? Here we go. How'd we do?
39.9.
Oh, so we got better, but not quite as fast as before. But again, the last time we did this, we were bone dry.
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. I may try one more, and then we'll call it good. You already can tell by the draggy performance that it's definitely up the performance, and I can feel this thing spin a lot more around the corners, which is probably slowing me down quite a bit too. So maybe I try to modulate the throttle a little better this time. But we'll see.
Does Dan cut the corners?
Dan does cut the corners, but he didn't do the Rmax. I did.
You did, okay. So it's
Dan
against you.
allowed
It's same driver.
Tends to cut the corners, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
What are you guys plugging your ears for? Poor mommy has both hands full. That was the best corner I did down here, but I still got out in that slop and just felt it kill all my momentum. What's the time?
What do you think?
I think probably another 40. Did I do better?
Yes, you did.
What'd I do?
38.6.
38.6. That was my best one, but did I beat the, what was my previous time? 39.5 was the previous, so I beat it. Woo!
Victory dance.
So, less than ideal short course track conditions, but we did beat our stock time still with a, what was the best time, Talisa? 38?
38.6.
38.6. So we beat our 39.5 previous in slick, muddy conditions. And here's the slick, muddy conditions I'm talking about. This turn was the worst. It just killed all my momentum and all the mud and all the gunk. Oh! But we still beat the best time. Yes! So I would say it's safe to confirm there was a definite performance upgrade with the RPM performance muffler. Yes, it is still overly loud for regular trail riding, so it's probably not suited for anything other than stuff like this. But it does sound mean, and I absolutely love the sound of it, and there is an obvious gain in performance. But don't forget, RPM is sending me their more quiet, trail-friendly performance muffler. So as soon as it gets here, we will put that on the Rmax and see how that goes. And if we still get a good bump in performance with a little more tame, trail-friendly and family-friendly exhaust note coming out of the tailpipe. So I hope you enjoyed a little bit of Rmax rippage in today's video. Again, I know that your speakers or your headphones on whatever you're listening on does not do the exhaust justice. But again, let me know in the comments below what you think of the sound of the Rmax. We're gonna have to come up with the name of the Rmax. I think that, because I keep saying we're unleashing the power of the beast, we might have to call this guy the Beast. So we have Beauty and the Beast. But anyway, I am open to suggestions for project names for this guy, so let me know that in the comments below as well. Again, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, for all your support, guys. And I hope you're excited to see the future performance products we are coming for the Beast. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think of our project name. And until next time, keep on riding.